Hey guys, how you doing today? I'm here with another video, but this video is actually the second part to funneling traffic through Facebook. Okay, so with no further ado, let's get right to it, you guys. All right, guys, so welcome back. And today, like I said before, we're going to be doing how to funnel your videos through Facebook. This actually works out pretty well. It's actually worked out pretty well, and I'll actually show you from a video that I threw in yesterday that I'm actually getting views from my Facebook. Um, and it actually works pretty good. I did throw it out at night, so today people are actually waking up and starting to go ahead and take a look at it. All right, guys. So before I keep going, I want to go ahead and let you guys know that this works, man. I've done this a lot of times. I actually use it for my own business, which, if you guys saw one of my videos, I edited one of the videos for my business, which is Party Bus Panama. All right. So, you know, it's Party Bus. That's my business. So, besides that, I do have another page on TikTok that later on I'll go ahead and show you guys how that's working out for me here. The only thing and the bad thing is that there's no monetization for us, right? Here in Panama. So, as I said, all right, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the tricks and the perks to actually doing Facebook marketing. All right, doing Facebook marketing to be able to funnel watch times and views over to your own videos on YouTube. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and show you that right now. So you guys can go ahead and take a look at it. So let's go ahead and get back on the screen here. And all right, so what we're looking at here is Facebook groups, which I showed you guys before. All right, so what did we do? We went to YouTube creators. All right, or let's make it even more of a broader search. So we'll just put YouTube, and then we'll let everything pop out here for us. Okay, so as you guys can see, it's actually coming up here, YouTube creators. It's a public group. All right, so you guys can go ahead and actually, I did join this already. All right, so I'm able to go ahead and visit it. And this is the group here. All right, so my video has come up here because I just went ahead and put my video. There's a lot of people putting videos on here. Um, so people will go ahead and like. There's comments. It'll show you how many views this person got within that. Okay. So this is a new channel that I'm actually starting up, um, based on myself. All right. So Susser P Vlog, and what we're doing is, as you guys can see, what we're doing in these videos is we're actually showing you guides to what you need to know. I mean, what would people like to know? That's what I do my videos about. How to funnel views to your YouTube. I think there's a lot of people might want to know that, and you can actually use Facebook for that. And most of the people have Facebook, so um, it tends to work out pretty good, right? So let's go back over here. So like I did show you, I mean, you get videos from all types of people, and then we can go back here, and then we can see YouTube creators. This is another group that I actually joined. I did post on it yesterday, and why does it say just now? That's weird. Um, so yeah, there's different people that do different types of videos here. All right. And some people say, I will promote your channel to get more subscribers and monetize. Da, da, da. Look at this one. This one. All right. But this one is actually in Portuguese. Back after almost 2 months in this vlog, I show you the best order I've ever made. A few outings. So yeah, I mean, there's different types of things that you guys can go ahead and see now. Different videos. this guy talks about Prince Williams and whatnot. I mean, so there's a lot of different videos you guys can actually see here. So you guys can actually post your videos here. Here's YouTube Gamers. I'm not much into gaming. I did try that once, kind of didn't work out for me, but still, people will go ahead and post videos about other things on here as well. All right. So let's go back and let's do a post like I did on my last video. But we'll go ahead and do a new one. Let's actually, you know what? Let's go ahead and find a channel that I haven't posted on. All right, and the video that we're gonna be doing the post about is, let's see here. So here you goes. You guys go ahead and see is Facebook. How many likes have I gotten from Facebook, and how many views I've gotten in this video? On the well, this is actually my channel, but the views on the video have been 40. But I do have a lot of videos on this channel, which I started this channel a long time ago, but I actually never came back to it. So I'm kind of going back on it and doing that again. So, all right. And here, what we want to do here in this, we want to copy the link. So we'll do share, right? And we'll do copy, right? That's all you got to do. Once you do that, you go over here and we'll find, I don't know, let's see if we could find a channel here. Let's see, YouTube watch time group. We can join this one. We'll go ahead and join. It's actually public. So some public groups do ask you, like, why would you like to join the group? Or how would you help uh, our fellow YouTubers? And it'll kind of give you stuff like that. And then you just go ahead and answer the question. Mostly private groups are the ones that actually ask for that. But there are some public groups that actually do that as well. All right. So let's go ahead and see here. And then what we want to do is we want to go ahead and create a post. All right. So we'll create a post, we'll paste it, and our video will come up here. All right. So what we want to do is we want to get a little bit more information. All right. So this, this, right, this is a video that I created to help new YouTubers with making their own intro video. Okay, we can put hope you guys like it, and if you do have any questions, right, please comment below the video and we'll we will get back to you ASAP. All right, and then we can put a thanks here, right? All right, so what we did here is we went ahead and put some text to it underneath your video link. We put, this is a video that I created to help YouTubers with making their own intro video. Hope you guys like it. Hope you guys like it. And if you do have any questions, please comment below the video and we'll get back to you ASAP. All right. So, and then we put a little thanks. All right. Um, we can actually put, how are we feeling? We're feeling happy. All right, just to give it a little kick to it. All right, so, and then we'll just go ahead and put post. All right. and there it is posting it. And then we can go ahead and drop down, and our video is right there. All right, so, you know, as I said, guys, I mean, this will go ahead and help you out hugely, hugely. Okay, so it just all depends on, exactly how you guys want to go ahead and put it. I mean, all you have to do is just go ahead and post a video. Just go ahead and post a link. After you post a link, put a little bit more info on it. Tell them, hey, this is a video that I made for this, and hope it helps. Kind of thing. That's all. That's all we did here, and it, you know, who knows? You'll probably get maybe comments under your video, and people will go ahead and talk to you within it and ask you questions. I mean, you have to go ahead and converse with people on that actually like your content. That's one of the most important things. All right, guys. So once again, here's our video. Okay, and then. Like I said, this is my video analytics for this one. Actually, let's go ahead and go straight to here. Um, All right, so we had 9 likes, and now I went ahead and reset the
Hey
video,
guys, how you doing today?
and then let's see how it looks now. See, we got another like, you know. Um, so guys, this helps. You guys just saw the change on it, and this is just while I was doing the video. Okay, so this will help. All right, so go ahead and give it a try and see for yourself. See for yourself, guys, that this actually works. All right, funneling views from Facebook. It'll go ahead and help you out. So, guys, hope you guys like my video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I have many other videos that I will be making on different things and different ways to go ahead and help you to be able to get more views, maybe reach those 1,000 subscribers even faster. All right, guys. So hope you guys like my video, guys. And once again, Caesar P Vlog. Peace out. See you guys later.